Bubble milk tea, known as 珍珠奶茶 in Chinese, is a drink made from tropical pearls, Taiwanese black tea, and milk. Because of the chewy taste and the tropical balls, bubble tea has become the most famous and popular drink in Taiwan. Bubble tea originated in Taiwan in the early 1980s. However, there are two competing stories for the discovery of the bubble tea. One is associated with the 春水堂 in Taichung. The company product development manager Lin Hui tried adding tropical pills to milk tea, which became a specialty. At first, she only shared with her friends. Later, because of the good reviews, it had officially launched as an in-store product in 1987. Another claim for invention of the bubble tea comes from the Hanli Tea Room in Taiwan. Their manager Xu Songhe saw the white tropical pills being sold in the local market, which inspired him to add the tropical pills to milk tea. Because of the white tropical pills just look like pills, he decided to make the drink called 珍珠奶茶, which means pure milk tea in English. To argue about who invented the bubble milk tea, 春水堂 and Hanlin Tea Room accused each other in the court of plagiarism. In the end, the court ruled that bubble tea is a new type of beverage and non-patented product, and either of them can obtain a patent. Today, people have stopped arguing about who is the really inventor of bubble tea because bubble tea has become the representative drink in Taiwan. You can easily see the bubble tea all over the world. Today, I am going to teach you how to make bubble tea. Prepare 200 ml of milk, 200 ml of water, 80 grams of sugar, 50 grams of tropical pills, and 45 grams of black tea. First, boil a pot of water, not the 200 ml water. When the water is fully boiling, pour the tropical pills inside and wait for the bubbles to fully cook. It usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. After cooking the bubble, filter out the water and mix with 40 grams of sugar and set aside. Then, cook the 200 ml of water to boiling. Then add the tea bag and the leftover sugar until fully melt. Last, put the cooked rice ball and syrup into cup. Place the glass flat and turn it around to the black syrup stick to the side of the glass. Then pour black tea and milk into a cup in order. Also, you can put some ice in your bubble tea to make it colder. So that's how to make bubble milk tea.